Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your Roblox account. But remember, once your Roblox account is deleted, you cannot recover it again. So keep that in mind. First thing, you want to search for Roblox support. Once you search for Roblox support, the first option, click on support. Once you're inside support, at the top right corner, you will see a login button. Click on that to log in into your account. But since I've already logged in into my account, it straight up brought me over here. Once you're inside your account, you need to enter the username of your Roblox account. And where it says first name, enter the real life first name of yours. And where it says email, make sure to enter your email address and make sure you enter the email which you have access to. Do not enter a random email. If you enter the email address which is linked with your Roblox account, it'll be better. Once you do that, enter it again to confirm it. And over here, you want to click on please select and choose PC. But it doesn't matter whatever you choose, but I will prefer to choose PC. Over here, click on it and choose data privacy request. Once you choose data privacy request, click on please select again. And this time click on right to be forgotten. Once you click on that, you need to explain why you want to delete your account. So I will just explain it to you guys so you guys can copy it. Hey, I don't want my data to be available in Roblox. Can you delete my account? Thank you. Once you write that, just click on submit. And this will be submitted to Roblox. Roblox staff will view it and they'll delete your account within 2 or 3 days. That's how you guys can delete your Roblox account. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.